In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete an added fingerprint from the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. The first step is to open the Settings app, and in Settings, scroll and select Security and Privacy. From here, tap on Biometrics and then select Fingerprints. Enter in your screen lock type, and then you should see your fingerprint or fingerprints if you've added more than one. To delete one, tap on the selected fingerprint, and then at the top you should see the option Remove. Tap on that and then confirm your decision by tapping on Remove again. Now that fingerprint has been deleted from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.